Have you ever heard of Indominus? It is a genetically modified dinosaur that appeared in the movie Jurassic World. Obviously, it is only a fictional creature. However, you may ask whether it is actually possible to genetically modify an organism. Before answering this question, you will need to know what is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a process whereby a gene can be specifically altered using recombinant technology to produce a desired trait. How is it done? It can be achieved by taking a specific gene from an organism of interest and inserting it into the cells of another organism. The recipient organism of the new gene will have acquired the ability or function encoded by the new gene. Still no idea? Using the creation of the Indominus in the Jurassic World movie as an example. The scientists collected several different cool genes from Tyrannosaurus, Velociraptor, and a few other dinosaur species and some modern animal species like the pig viper, tree frog, and cuttlefish for their genetic engineering experiments. Combining all the genes they collected, they created a new species of dinosaur that was equipped with new genes that provided the animal with powerful body structures and ability to change its body temperature and skin pigmentation, which allowed it to defeat its enemies and hide from the heat sensors and blend into the environment. Basically, genetic engineering is a way to introduce a desired gene into an animal to equip it with new functional traits. Genetic engineering has a broad range of application. For example, it can be used to design new drugs and biomaterials, and increase food production to feed the expanding world population by creating faster growing and pest-resistant genetically modified food crops. The most commonly GM organisms are bacteria and crops. Usually, genetically modified bacteria are inserted with a specific gene that codes for a particular therapeutic protein, for example insulin and growth hormone, or enzyme like antitrypsin for the treatment of emphysema, because bacteria are relatively easy to be bioengineered. One of the most famous examples is the insulin-producing E. coli, which was constructed in 1978. In addition, genetic engineering is often applied to different types of food crops such as rice, maize, and tomatoes. Without a doubt, having adequate supply of food is very important to the human population. Designing and growing new types of GM food crops can ensure a stable supply of high-quality food crops that are pest-resistant, herbicide-tolerant, and nutrient-rich. Genetic modification can also be fun. We can erase biological functions or traits that are undesirable and create organisms with favorable traits. However, genetic engineering is a multi-step and complicated process, and there are many social and environmental concerns such as animal bioethics and biosafety. If we use the technology in a good and safe way, it will definitely benefit humankind. I'm sure we do not wish to create a destructive creature like the Indominus, right?